Well, while I'm waiting, nearly fell in a ditch. Wouldn't be a great start. Gonna take the opportunity to change a few picks because yeah, not too far gone, but I've got some with me, so we might as well. Shiny picks, Simex picks. Maybe we need to get sponsored by a pick supply. Wouldn't that be good? Ugh, let's try and do all this one-handed. It's not great. I think there's about 3 or 4. Whoop! Putting them on the old floor edge. Let's get my big trusty hammer. Look at the space in here. It's tiny, isn't it? Come on, JCB. Yeah, not like Mr. Guns and his big backhoe. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, we'll use this. We don't need the grinder. Use this tool to put them back in. Pretty standard one. And then this one to knock them out. So yeah, let's get going. We'll I'll tell you, I'm not sure what's the sun. That one's not great. That one's not great. Ooh, that one's definitely gone. And that one there. So yeah, let's get knocking them out. And would you believe, usually they're an absolute pain in the backside to get out, but these ones are flying out. So tell you what, got one more to take out. Ooh, that one's a bit close to the camera. We'll try and not hit the old GoPro. I hate doing them this side because of pain in the backside to get out this side. Need like a drill bit. I need a little drill bit to drive them out. This hammer is an okay place. There we go. I managed to hit the camera as well. I'll tell you what, let's get some spray on grease. Just so when they go back in, hell of a lot easier to go in. Spray them on and then we'll give them a spin round. Let the spray do its magic. Is that the only ones? Yeah, there we go. Let's put the spray back. Don't want to lose it. Right. That's a bit of gentle exercise. So tell you what, I'm not sure this camera's on. So many times I go to the camera and it's not on. That's a old pick. Pretty yeah, that one doesn't look too bad, but then when you get to the side, whoa, and then yeah, that one is gone as well. And a shiny new pick, so I suppose you put them next to each other, stick it in the ground. Oop. There's a yeah, bit of a difference on them, so yeah. Well guys, let's go and check this on. Maybe you've got the right camera angle still. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, where's me? Oofa doofa for putting them in. Let's give it a good check around, double check. Don't want to miss any, do we? Maybe probably wouldn't be the first person to do it. And I always see some people do that, just tap them in, but someone once told me he's carbon ceramic or something, you can shatter them. Not that I've ever had one to shatter, so but oh well, I'm not. We'll this is not a bad time to do it when it does it. It's not great to do when it's absolutely howling rain and you're yeah, doing them in the wet. The floor's wet. It's It's raining. Obviously got my pulsar gear, but it's not something you want to do, is it, in the wet? No doubt somebody will be online going, he's putting them all in terrible, he's never done them in his life. What an absolute weapon. Should have got one more out. Don't want to leave any on the floor, do I? Nope, let's go get one more. Oh, we're off, so put one more. Looks like TM set up early today. Wounded. Oh, there's one. Oh, in the grass. Damn you. This one's going to be a pain in the backside too. We'll spin her all the way out. You watch it fall off now. Oh, I have done that. Spanner too far. Spanner too far. Oh, there we go. I usually pick the arms up, so well, you know, Simex levers aside, so you get maximum purchase. And there we go. 4 picks changed, so not too bad. I'm sure the road's all the trucks have gone up, but just seen a car go up. Put them in there. Shut them there. Door shut. We'll pick up our old picks. New picks. Let's go.